السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. أرحب بكم في فصل اللغة العربية. إن شاء الله في هذا الفيديو سنتعلم الفعل الماضي، ومن الفعل الماضي واحد حاضر ومتكلم. So inshallah in this video we are going to learn Minhajul Arabiya second part, the lesson number 9. So in this class we are going to translate second person as well as first person past tense sentences. First of all, we will translate Arabic sentences in English language. After that, Urdu sentences we are going to translate in English language. Let's start. Akala, he ate. Akalta, you ate. Akaltu, I ate. Shariba, he drank. Shaributa, you drank. Shaributu, I drank. Mada akalta, what did you eat? Akaltu at-ta'am, I ate the food. Mada sharibta, what did you drink? Shaributu al-laban, I drank the milk. Mada qara'ata, what did you read? Qara'atu ad-dars, I read the lesson. Man qara'a ma'ak, who read with you? Qara'a ma'i sadiqi, my friend read with me. أفهمت الدرس الجديد, did you understand the new lesson? نعم فهمت, yes I understood. أحفظت درس الأمس, did you by heart yesterday's lesson? نعم حفظت, yes I by heart. ماذا فعلت بعده, what did you do after it? ذهبت إلى المدرسة, I went to the school. أفرح الأستاذ بك, did the teacher become happy with you? نعم فرح بي, yes he became happy with me. أسئلة, questions. أأكلت التفاح, did you eat the apple? أأكلت البرتقال, did you eat the orange? أأكلت التين, did you eat the fig? أشربت اللبن, did you drink the milk? أفهمت الدرس, did you understand the lesson? أذهبت إلى الحديقة, did you go to the garden? أجلست في العربة, did you sit in the van? ماذا قرأت, what did you read? أحفظت, did you by heart? ماذا فعلت في المدرسة, what did you do in the school? ماذا شربت, what did you drink? Now we are going to translate Urdu sentences in English language. बैठा, he sat. खाया, he ate. पिया, he drank. खुश हुआ। He became happy. तू निकला। You went out. तू गया। You went. तू वापिस हुआ। You returned. तूने याद किया। You remember. मैंने किया। I did. मैंने खाया। I ate. मैंने पिया। I drank. मैंने पढ़ा। I read. मैंने सबक पढ़ा। I read the lesson. तूने खाना खाया। You ate the food. तूने संतरा खाया। You ate the orange. मैंने पानी पिया। I drank the water. तूने सबक याद किया। You by heart the lesson. तूने चाय पी। You drank the tea. तूने कुरान याद किया। You by heart the holy Quran. मैंने दूध पिया। I drank the milk. मैं उसके बाद निकला। I went out after him. वो मेरे पीछे निकला। He went out after me. गाड़ी में कौन गया? Who went out in the van? क्या तूने ताज़ा गोश्त खाया? Did you eat the fresh meat? मैं आज सुबह की तफरीह के लिए निकला। I went out today for morning walk. तू गर्मा की तातील में कहाँ गया? Where did you go in summer holidays? मैंने कल का सबक पढ़ा। I read yesterday's lesson. उस्ताद मुझसे बहुत खुश हुए। The teacher became happy with me. क्या तूने दीन समझा? Did you understand the religion? मैंने दीन अच्छी तरह समझा। I understood the religion very well. मैंने इस्लाम की तारीख़ पढ़ी। I read the history of Islam. तूने हदीस पढ़ी। You read the hadith. If you want to translate any sentence, if you want to know any word meaning, please comment it. For watching Arabic videos, thank you very much.